check it. Hear this.
My brother, this Edo State governorship election where they come on the 19th this month of September. How you they see this brother? Election? This election, blood go flow.
Jesus!
I said this election, blood go flow. This governorship election they want to do on the 19th for Edo State, so blood must flow. You know my name now, and I be shooter. Shooter. I know the whole gun where I know me, I know go where I know kill. Anything don't make me whole gun, I must shoot. And if I shoot, I must kill.
I will tell you about this.
I tell you this election we don't arrange I want P. Now 10 souls, 10 person I want 4 that day. 10 person I want 4. Hey! My party must win. Now 10 person I want 4.
This is what you want.
My men smoke for a day of time. We don't control and you go come down that day. If that one go waste reach like 9 or 8 person. See, now me they in charge of the tools where they want send go all the 18 local government for those states. As I talk to you, so 15 we don't distribute tools reach 15 local governments. The remaining 3, which is Ego local government, Oriomo local government, and Umude local government. Now remain me tools enter. As in one bloody everywhere. Our party must win. Any polling booth where we say na another party na in squad many pass for there. We go thief the ballot box where they will thief one. Anybody will do zoo, we go waste time. For you. You don't know say my guy they only call waste time. But for you, this election blood go flow. Blood go flow. My party must win. No guy they be everywhere. We don't arrange down. We want waste everywhere. Apart for you, What? Not poor hand though. If you poor hand, if you poor hand, we go shortcut everything. We go zuzu everything. We go zaza everything. We go ya everything. Apart for you. Oh my God. Oh my God. This election are war. In fact, now the 4th World War happened with those states. You see, so we go waste now. Apart from you, now so killing on so now be our work. No damn that working. Don't tell you the game. This one go worse past presidential election. My candidate must win. But wait, may I talk to you? May I talk to you? You say your name, now shooter. That's all you get, friend, will be smoke. All of them, you they name them, all of them. That's what I want to do, that's what I want to keep. I want to take ballot box for this Edo State governorship election we want happen on the 19th of this month. See, may I tell you what you must know. May I just give you only 5 reasons. Only 5 reasons where you must, where go make, where I will give you. See, number 1. You see all those politicians who they fight for, who they kill themselves for, who they kill other people for, who they shed blood for, who they do things for, all those who they make election where can be election was supposed to be free and fair, or they make them like war, like useless thing. But give you only 5 reasons. 1. You see all those politicians, all those governorship aspirants who want contest for this election, who want to kill myself or so. They get children. Their children not this town. They not even did this Edo State. And number 2, even if they did this Edo State, that election day, they not go agree, make them come and go vote. And let you know. Then 2, number 2 reason. You see, you when you want to go shoot, you want to kill 10 people, you want to kill 100 people, you want to do so, you want to take ballot paper, you want to do this one. This your head. You live out for house. Even if you get sham, you get anything where we say if they shoot you, go on they enter. You forget say beneath the user make parable say who get this one, not get this one. I make a bomisi not fit kill Obonenya. That's 2 reasons. The number 3 reasons. You see, even if they kill you or they kill your friend because of this election. You know, say these people when they want to fight on themselves, when they want to kill themselves or so, they're not going to give your children scholarship. They're not going to even know that your family they exist if you don't die. Then about 4 reasons. You see all those governorship aspirants where they all the party we want contest for those state governorship election 19th of this September. Their papa not fit become governor. Their papa not fit contest for this election. But their papa give them good education, make life better them. Now they can't fit they do what their papa not fit do so. Now, why can't you work hard and pray hard for your children, give them good education, good life, so that at the end of it, even if you not fit be governor, you not fit be local government chairman, your children will come be governor, even president. Now they think about that one. Then lastly what I want to tell you, you know here abi you forget say Oba Ewa Ogidigan II, the finest king in the world, the most educated king in the world, the king wey get people for heart, the king wey be say everywhere good for where he dey, king wey be say God bless with so much 100% of wisdom, king wey be say if he dey sleep him mind no go rest because of the people. Don't talk and say na peace na they find for this governorship election for on the 19th of this September wey we dey so. So they can't call all even the major political parties can't come there together. Me I know say you must dey work for one of these political parties. He can't call them say that peace na in one. You forget say even Ize Iyamu can't address Obaseki as senior brother. Obaseki can't address Ize Iyamu as younger brother. There are two can't even embrace Oshomole did there, Oyebu did there. Men wey matter they did there. Even if you kill yourself and destroy yourself, those people don't even know what they happen. So as our Oba, our father, don't talk am. Now so it could be. Now peace will take do this election. Now free and fair will take do this election. So all those evil plans where they your heart, where they you and your people heart, go tell them say it not go work. If you not do pass the one where our Oba talk or the one where supposed to be, God go fight you now. Enika will go fight you now. Good heart where they this world go fight you now. Spirit of democracy and free and fair election go fight you now. Even my spirit go fight you now. So my brother, I don't tell you. You hear, you know hear. You know concern me. I want to reach somewhere. Time I went home. Hello. Hello. Yes, na me.
Okay, na me, Scorpion. Shooter, those tools wey be say you don't like your control when they come from the local government. You never see a level.
Na tools they kill you.
Jesus.
Tools kill you there. God punish you, punish your pa, punish everything. Punish all those leaders. Why use me gay vote? I don't do again. Idiot.